Hi little learners, today let's learn about nouns with lots of fun examples. What is noun? A noun is a naming word, person, place, animal, thing. Nouns are all around us. Here are some examples of people. Boy, doctor, teacher, farmer. Some places are school, home, hospital, city. Some animals are dog, tiger, cat, elephant. Some things around us are cake, bag, shoes, chair. Wow, that's a lot of nouns. Can you name some more? Great job, noun explorers. Keep spotting those naming words and have fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.